What would you say if I told you you can make $50 to $100 per hour working from home, online, in your bed, in your underwear, doing whatever you want to do? Would you be interested? Well, just a second, let me show you exactly how you can make over $50 an hour doing something online. Alright, so we're here at Fiverr.com. If you have never been here, use it. It's a great site, great platform, and it can really help you out and can make you a lot of money. So what I want to show you is something called whiteboard animation videos. Okay, this right here is the one that I like. It's called Video Scribe. Now I'm going to show you how you can use and you can make whiteboard videos and you can sell them over on Fiverr. Okay, so let me just type that in here. Okay, whiteboard animation, and you can do this for a lot of things. I mainly did it, and I still do it a little bit, but I do it for book reviews. Okay, that's mainly what I did it for. So you come here and let's look. I will create whiteboard explainer video starting at $5. It's probably not going to get much. We'll actually open that up and see what he's selling. I will create an awesome explainer video up to 200 seconds, I believe. I will create a professional whiteboard video. So these are probably really short. Now, if you want to create an actual like whiteboard video that is between 5 to 10, maybe 10 to 20 minutes long, you're going to be making about $200, $250 for every single video, and it will probably be again, it'll be probably about a 10 to 20 minute video, and it'll probably take you about, I'd say about 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, so you're making over $50 an hour, but you're like right there making about that $100 mark. Okay, so let's go back and look at this one. A 60-second animation. Okay, and it's probably looks something like this. Okay, so not bad, right? Could you do that? Yeah, you could easily do that. Now, Video Scribe, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's I think it's $144 a year, which comes out to $12 a month if you pay it annually, a one-time fee. Or it's $29 a month if you do monthly. This is a much better deal. This is the one I always do. At some point, I'll probably just end up doing that one. But there's another one. It's called Powtoon. Okay, you can see it right here. Go to powtoon.com, and this is the pricing. You can start for free. Then you can go to Pro, which is $19 a month. I want to be 100% honest. I've never used this one. However, this is one of the very few services that you can use to create whiteboard videos. And you can start for free. Okay, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it right here, but let me come back over here and show you. Okay, I'll create awesome professional explainer. You can do this for real estate, you can do this for advertisements, you can do this for Facebook videos, for Instagram. There's so many ways to do this. And again, even something like this, I'll make a whiteboard video in 24 hours starting at $15. Okay, I wonder how long it's gonna be. For $35, it's a 90-second runtime. Well, honestly, for me, if I were to do one on Video Scribe right here, let me go back on Video Scribe, it would probably take, to do a 90-second video, it would probably take me about, I'd say about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's to do the video, to do all this, plus do a voiceover. Okay, add background music, voiceover, do the logo, everything. Okay, so for me, let me pull up the calculator. Let's just say it takes me about 10 minutes to do the video. It takes me 5 minutes to send the person the actual email with the whole file in it. So let's say it takes 15 minutes. Okay, so I can do 4 in an hour. So let's say I'm charging $35. Let's say I'm charging $35 per video. I'll be making $140 per hour. Much better than the 50 that I said earlier, right? Yeah. Anyway, let me show you. So this is how it works. Okay, this is Powtoon. So you can come here if you know what you're going to do. You can start from scratch. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to jump right into doing a story. And you can pick corporate, infographic, cartoon, whiteboard, or you can go into modern edge. Let's say we jump into whiteboard. Okay, we're going to choose an intro, and this one you just pick. Okay, we're going to pick an intro. Let's say I like this one. Okay, I'm going to use that one. Let's pick a statement. That's a good one. I'm going to pick a problem. We'll go there. I'm going to illustrate a benefit. Oh yeah, too much work. Okay. Present a solution, and we're going to pick, we did it. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it that. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Hit continue, and again, you can do all this for free. Okay, but it does have very limited benefits, or really limited stuff. So again, you can see it up here. Business $59 a month, Pro $19, and you can see your storage. You can see stuff it has, stuff it doesn't have. But again, Video Scribe, in my opinion, and in most other people's opinion, Video Scribe is the best one. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, they're loading it up. Now I can come here and I can say, let's say I don't want that. Okay, let's say I want to change this, put it in pencil. Okay, well, that was probably a bad idea. I'll do urban and make it a little smaller, bold it. Okay, let's get rid of bold. Okay, let's say we're going to insert an image. No, it's not worried about. So let's say we can go and create this one. Okay. Okay, let's say we want to put a link. We want to, go. Say we're going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, perfect. I know I'm just showing you what you can do with it. Okay, just understand there's. Okay, so let's say that's where we're at. Here's our video. Okay, now let's get out of this. Let's preview it. Okay. All right, that's what we made. That's what we made so far. Okay, and this is exactly how it's going to look. So when it records, this is how it's going to record, and then you can go and send it off to your client. And let's pause that. Okay, that could get annoying. Anyway, so that is how you can make between $50 to $100 per hour by creating whiteboard videos, whiteboard animation style videos. Okay, I use these. I used to use these all the time. I every once in a while I'll mix in a little whiteboard animation into the video. I know people like 1% Better over on or here on YouTube. They use these all the time for book reviews. Who else? I think Viral Whirl, another guy that does a lot of book reviews and stuff like that. Practical Psychology uses this. Actually uses Video Scribe. He was the one that recommended I get into this one. And that was the reason why. Okay, so what I'd recommend, again, these are just, let's say you do whiteboard videos. Click on that. Okay, let's say come down here and you want this one. I'll create a custom whiteboard animation. It has a 5-star, 268 reviews. Okay. Look at this one, standard. Let's click on basic. Basic right here, 45-second runtime, not even a minute. 3-day delivery, 1 revision. You get background music, get imagery. But 5-day delivery, 2 revisions, 60-second runtime for $60. So he's charging a minute, or charging $1 per second. That's pretty good, right? Number of words, only 100. Let's click on it, look.
Sales this month? Not to worry. Studies show that
you could do that. You could do this. It's a little out. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to show you because I know a lot of people are looking at different ways to make money online, and this is a great option. All right, guys, so hopefully that kind of helped you out. That gives you some more ideas. Now, like I said, I create and I do animated whiteboard videos, but I've never sold them. Okay, so as far as selling and doing this stuff over on Fiverr, that's not something that I do. I do use Fiverr for some of my own stuff, but I don't personally sell on that site. Okay, so just understand that I'm giving you this idea, but it's not something that I can be like, hey, you can make $1 million, because I've never done it using that. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out. If you want more video ideas on how to make money online, doing things other than affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, YouTube, and stuff like that, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.